What's up, guys? It's Mac and Trier with the Mac and Trier Report. Today we are at the chicken farm. It's called First Saturday. There are vendors out here. Come out and check it out. Get your face painted. I'm a chicken today, as you can tell. So come out here, come check out these booths, check out the vendors, get your face painted. Look at the cool art. There's stuff for the kids. There's stuff for the grown-ups. First Saturday of every month. Becoming a chicken at the chicken farm. You work at the ballet?
Yes.
What do you do there?
I'm their marketing director.
What is a henna tattoo exactly?
A henna tattoo is a temporary tattoo.
So how long have you been painting faces though?
You know, on and off again for about 5 years. Sav henna.
Sav henna. Okay, great.
So henna
Sav
and face paint.
Awesome. Is it coming together?
It really is.
Are you gonna get your face painted, bud? What are you gonna get? A snake? Dude, that's cool. That's cool. I'm a snake. Dude, shut your mouth. That's what I need. Have you heard of Dot? Yeah. What do you think of that? Hey guys, I'm here with Jeremiah Emsley. We've known each other for a little while. We waited tables together actually at Henry's. So Jeremiah is an artist. He does other things too, but he is a musician. All right, this is Jeremiah 96.7 coming at you now. Let's get it.
Just shame my friendship had to wait. Oh, rain, oh, rain. Stop. You should means you too. Purple rain.
Purple brain, purple brain.
Our business is called KP Art,
Okay.
and we primarily work in clay.
Awesome. So my name is Matt Catrier. I'm with the Matt Catrier Report. I'm just a local journalist and reporter, and I cover local events. What was your name?
Andres.
Andres, Matt Catrier. Good to meet you. Renee?
Yes.
Good to meet you. So what brought you guys out today?
We just came out to hang out with our friends
Yeah?
and just visit the local artists and vendors.
You want to mosey over here? Tell me a little bit about y'all's business.
Still a juvenile, it's not fully grown.
Okay, how big will he get? Will he get like pretty
About
big?
100 pounds.
Really? Hey, bud. Oh, really? How come?
Well,
cool.
Well, anything with a mouth can bite. We don't generally take our black widow out if this is what they're meant for. So,
What's up, bro? Would you like to say anything to the audience?
All right, so my only rule is this girl's like a water balloon with 8 legs. If she drops, she's gonna go pop. So we don't want that to happen.
Oh, no.
So if you get nervous, just let me know.
Okay.
She's very cool, calm, and collected.
Oh, she is cool.
I'm gonna get her just to chill. And if you'd like to take any photos or anything, you're more than welcome to. She's pretty good. Magic cards? Oh, really? That caught me off guard.
Hi, Capone. Come here, boy.
like Al Capone, but without the Al.
He's cool, man. Let's see if we can get a close-up of him. Hi, boy.
Those are available for a $5 value.
Okay.
And
What's your
then they
name
have-
again?
I am Mark Welch, and I just spend too much time here.
That's awesome. But you've been very helpful. Tell me a little bit about yourselves, guys.
So I'm Ash. I'm a local artist here.
Cool.
From San Angelo, native. I was born here, raised here. This is my friend. They are visiting from Georgia. Actually,
Okay.
flew over just to come to San Angelo and see what this is all about.
And what do you think about the chicken farm so far?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
I love all the local businesses and the
Yeah.
things and yeah, it's amazing.
Your voice is incredible.
Oh, thank you.
How long have
Only one more time. See you laughing. Only want to see you underneath that purple rain.
Wow.
Purple rain. Purple
Brain. How are you seeing the chicken farm today?
I have my wife did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She drug you out here? Or you wanted to
We
come?
planned it together. We were looking for the brunch here, which is wonderful.
They had brunch? Oh, yeah. You're going down. Yeah. Go ahead. What are we trying to do here again? Oh, I know what to do. Trying to sneak up on me. But I got my own plan. Look, he's helping me. I got a partner. Oh no, no, no! I mean,
Trinity, get it. Here?
oh, she was no!
Over, all the way.
Ah, she got it. And I had a partner. Good job. You did great.